Greetings and salutations folks, my name is Sunny and in this video I'm going to be opening a makeup subscription box that was advertised to me on Facebook. Now I will be interested to see whether this was a scam, and I say that because not only is it a Facebook advert, but because of the customs label. It says pouch, lip gloss, eyeshadow and brush. That's not worth $32, is it? I'm hoping that just describes the variety of ingredients. But this should be fun. That's the whole point. It's fun. I'm not even into makeup, as you can tell. I just don't care. What is it with me and scissors? It's tearing off everything except my dress. Do you want people to YouTube this or not? Right. Ready? Oh god. Right. Okay. Okay. I think that's the leaflet showing you what's in it, so I won't look at that. We've got a bag of air, chocolate milk bomb mask, and that's Korean. If my voice sounds a bit funny, it's because I'm getting over that flu everyone's had, so that's why it's cotton pads, premium soft. I'm going to open these and have a feel. I can't imagine they're any different to ones we have here. Actually a bit rougher. Maybe that's good. Let's look at this big one. So this looks like a thing for dry stuff. You know, the stuff that you go like that with. It is. Oh my goodness. That's so cheap. It's just one of those things that you like get free with pressed powder. It looks like sparkly orange lip gloss. But it doesn't look like it's going to look for regular life. It looks sort of Halloween-y. I'm going to go and put this on now. Okay, so you can barely see, but it's quite clear. It's not orange and it's not sparkly. But it is quite sticky. Every single video I mess around with scissors, I get something in my eye and I forget what I'm going to say. Soap. Charcoal soap. What? Oh my god. What? It sort of smells like chocolate mixed with like incense sticks. I don't like it though, I don't think so. I'm gonna go and wash my hands with this and tell you what I think. Alrighty. So my hands are left smelling slightly old person. But I have to say, they do feel quite squeaky clean and it didn't lather up all brown like I was expecting, it was just normal. Eyebrow pencil. I don't touch my eyebrows. I just let them do what they're doing because they're so pale, so I don't need to. What is going on here? What is this? Oh, it's coming out! Actually that's not bad because it's quite... I don't know what the word is, sparse. Can you actually bloody see that? No you can't. Look at that, not look at me. And then I suppose, do you do that? To make it look a bit more natural. Eye gloss. This sounds like a terrible idea. Or like the bendy brush. I mean, it looks like foundation. This is the one that's got it on, and you can't see that very well. Oh. Okay, you just can't see it. You're just going to have to trust me. It's actually not bad. I thought it was going to be really sticky. Hang on. Okay, it comes off a little bit, but maybe you have to wait 5 minutes. The last item is what? Moisture Bomb Hand Cream. Peach flavour. No! It's very thick. Oh, you know what actually? That's not bad at all. Some hand creams are left greasy. This doesn't feel greasy. And the smell isn't too offensive. I actually like this. So now that everything's here together, I don't think it's a scam, but I would not say it's worth $32. So, I would not recommend this, but it's a thing if you want it. I was really disappointed there's no geeky stuff like they advertise. I know it's different every month, but they show Pokemon or Sanrio stuff and there's nothing character based. It didn't say charcoal soap, it said chocolate soap. That makes more sense. I thought it said charcoal because it's in this fancy font and I read it too quickly, and it was also brown, and I know charcoal cleaning is a thing. Thanks for joining me. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. Go and watch my Japanese eating videos because they are so entertaining. Subscribe if you aren't already. Take care guys and have a fantastic rest of the day. Bye. My video where I'm going to be opening a subscription box. No. Damn it. I need a script. This looks like... No. Something in my eye now.